kids. My name is Mr. Schouten. I teach PE and Boost Up here at Buchanan. Looking forward to a great year. Right in here is the gym. So you'll come to PE in the gym for a few days, a couple times a week. And we'll also play outside. And then for the Boost Up room, we'll go down this hallway. This is the kindergarten hallway. The Boost Up room is just down here. It's the second door. It's kind of a pinkish color. And we'll have a lot of fun in that room as well, doing a lot of different fun activities. So right down here is the Boost Up room, and those are the two rooms that I'll see you in, and I'm looking forward to having a great year.